Okay, AP Gov Unit 2 review in 1 minute, let's go. Okay, the big theme for this unit is how the federal government does its work. So the first thing to remember is that laws are the most fundamental materials of our system of government. It was John Adams who said that we are a government of laws and not of men. But each of the three branches of government have a different relationship to those laws. So first you've got Congress, which is responsible for making the laws. Now the Senate and the House both have different functions and rules governing their behavior, but at its core, laws originate in Congress when both houses pass identical bills. Okay, second, the president or the executive is responsible for executing the law. It's the president who signs the law, and that signature makes the law binding. However, the executive can also check Congress with the veto power. But Congress can check the president right back by overriding the veto with a 2/3 vote. And then the third branch, the judicial or the Supreme Court, is responsible for deciding whether the laws passed by the other branches are constitutional, which is a power known as judicial review. And that's the most significant check that the court has on the other two branches. Like if they say that a law is unconstitutional, then it no longer has any authoritative power. But here's where I tell you that there's a kind of quasi-fourth branch of government, namely the bureaucracy. Now, this is basically an extension of the executive branch, and they have the rule-making authority for the executive branch. In other words, the bureaucracy takes the vague laws passed by Congress and makes specific rules to carry them out. And that's it. I'll see you in Unit 3.